Dear students, welcome to the course on Marketing of Financial Services, Unit 3 Insurance, and the topic planned in this video today is Property and Travel Insurance. It is video 6 of the Marketing of Financial Services. We have planned following contents in this session. We will be looking into what is property insurance, what are the types of property insurance, do's and don'ts for property insurance, travel insurance, what travel insurance should we buy. These are the contents which would be highlighting. Let us move forward and try to understand basically what is a property insurance. Dear students, as such, insurance of a property, which means insurance of building, insurance of machinery, stocks against fire and allied perils which are responsible for associating a risk is called as property insurance. One more word which is reflected in property insurance is burglary risk, that is a theft. Also, when we send goods from one location to other location by various modes, let the mode be sea, air, railway, road or courier, they are insured under marine cargo insurance. Similarly, when you are going to transfer goods through hulls of ship and port, they have been insured under marine hull insurance. Also, there are specialized policies available such as aviation insurance policy for insurance of planes and helicopter. In short, here we tried to analyze and we have come across what is called as property insurance, also marine cargo insurance, also marine hull insurance, and also we have tried to analyze what is called as aviation insurance policy. Now let us move a step forward and try to understand what are the types of property insurance. There are four types of property insurance. One is called as package or umbrella policy. Second is fire insurance. Third is burglary insurance. Fourth is all risk insurance. And fifth one is marine cargo insurance. Let us try to understand one by one what those insurance are. The first insurance is called as package or umbrella policies. As the name says, it is a package or umbrella policy, means it is a single document with a combination of different covers. It also covers householders policy, shopkeepers policy, office package policy, means many covers are offered in a single document. This type of policy is called as package or umbrella policy. It seeks to cover various physical assets including building, contents. Such policies, apart from seeking cover for property, it also include certain personal lines or liability covers. Hence, these are called as umbrella policies. Means it is a package which will have n number of things covered under one roof, and hence it is called as a package or umbrella policy. Let us move towards the other part. Second type is called as fire insurance. As it clearly says, insurance from fire. So fire insurance policy offers protection against any unforeseen loss or damage to destruction of property due to fire or other perils covered under the policy. So it is going to cover damage or destruction by fire to a particular that is a destruction which is caused for a property is nothing but fire insurance. Fire insurance, apart from risk of fire, it also tries to cover various other aspects also. They are lightning, explosion, implosion, aircraft damage, right, strike, malicious damage, storm, cyclone, typhoon, hurricane, flood and inundation, impact damage, subsidence and landslide, including rock slide, bursting and or overflowing of water tanks, apparatus and pipes, missile testing operation, accidental leakage from automatic sprinkler installation, and many other things are also covered or can be covered along with fire insurance. So fire insurance in addition have various covers which are mentioned in the second paragraph. That is what we need to understand a fire insurance. Next part we'll try to understand is insurance which is related to burglary. What do you mean by burglary? Burglary, if you look at a dictionary meaning, in simple sense is theft. Insurance from theft. This policy covers property contained in the premises, including stocks, goods held or held in trust if specifically covered. It also covers cash valuables, securities kept in locked safe or cash box in lock still cupboard if you specifically request for it. That is what can be protected if you try to purchase a burglary insurance. It covers damage to a house or premises which is caused by burglars during burglary or attempts at burglary. Next, we'll try to understand what is termed as all risks insurance. All risk insurance are the part of burglary insurance. It generally offers cover for jewelry and or portable equipment. This cover is generally selective and may vary from company to company. Here it is very important to note that all risk policy is not free from exclusions, so the term all risks doesn't mean that anything and everything is covered. That is what is a rider which we need to understand. Moving forward, let us try to understand what is called as a marine cargo insurance. In the definition, we already have seen that marine cargo insurance covers transits. Transit is nothing but when it is in a movement, when it is moving from one destination to other destination by water, these are the means, by air, road or rail, or can be registered post parcel or courier, or a combination of two or more of this modes. In such case, it is called as marine cargo insurance. Similarly, cargo can be damaged on exposure to wide variety of risk, including an accident of vehicle which carries the cargo or damage due to jolts and jerks. Many things can happen when the goods are transferred from one location to another location. So risk is covered. The wide variety of risk which is bear when the goods are moving from one location to another location. This risk needs to be covered, and that is very well covered in a concept called as marine cargo insurance. A step forward, let us try to understand what are the do and don'ts for property insurance. When you wish to buy an property insurance, you should know you can insure only property you own. Be sure that you have documents to prove the ownership as well as value at the time of claim. One needs to give a complete and correct description, address and location of the property to be covered. It is a right of the person who needs insurance asking the intermediary or insurer to give information and explain the basis of fixing the sum insured. It can be market value basis where depreciation is taken into account, or reinstatement value where the cost of replacement of the property is taken into account. So we should be very clear that what could be the basis on which the sum would be assured, whether is it a market value or is it a reinstatement value. That is what we need to understand. We need to have, or we should collect information regarding add-ons as they are available as per our needs. Similarly, let us try to understand what are the don'ts when we purchase an insurance policy. Here also, criteria number 1, don't allow anyone else to fill your proposal form. Don't conceal or misstate misstate any facts about the property and its fixtures. Don't misdeclare the value of your property and face disputes at the time of claim. And now, with the conclusion of property insurance, let us try to move forward and try to understand what is called as travel insurance. As the name says, it is the insurance which is offered when individual is traveling. Travel insurance protects traveler's family against travel-related accident, unexpected medical expenditure during travel, losses such as baggage loss, loss of passport, and interruption or delay in flights or delay in arrival of baggage are covered through travel insurance. Travel insurance normally offers cover only during a specific period of time because it is what we have decided on a specific traveling period we would like to get insured. Some insurance companies offer various combination of protection to cater to the specific needs of the customer. Also, there are certain separate policy for the corporate frequent travelers. That is what is a scheme which is offered to people who are frequent travelers, and they are covered under a very specific travel insurance plan which is specifically and customized to the people who frequently travel. Let us try to move forward and try to understand what type of insurance or what travel insurance should we buy. The following are covers that are generally provided under travel insurance. Can be a combination: medical expenses with or without cashless facility, personal accidental cover, loss of baggage cover, delay in baggage arrival cover, loss of passport, travel delay, repatriation, transportation of dead bodies. These are few things which are very well covered. So that is what we need to analyze with respect to travel insurance. Before I conclude, just a recap of what we have tried to cover. We have just a recap of what we have tried to cover. We tried to understand what is property insurance, tried to understand what are the types of property insurance, tried to understand do's and don'ts for property insurance, tried to look into a superficial idea about what is travel insurance, and last we concluded with what travel insurance should buy, means what are the components which should be covered when we are going to buy travel insurance. With this I conclude my session. Thank you once again.